Hello guys, welcome back to More and More. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add shadows and highlight in this fashion illustration croquis in Photoshop. In previous video, I have explained how you can render realistic skin with the help of Magic Wand tool. Please do subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. To add shadows in this fashion illustration croquis, we have to imagine the light is coming from upper left side of the screen. So we have to go to layers, create a new layer and rename it as skin shadows and change the blend mode into multiply. And the opacity I will adjust later after once I am done with adding the shadows. If I lower the opacity right now, you won't be able to differentiate the shadows which I will do right now because it will not be able to see it clearly. So right now I am keeping it as 100%. Before adding shadows, I want to show you something. Click on brush tool and this is the hex code of the shadow color. So when we add shadows, you will see the color will spread out. And this will consume lot of time. So to avoid this, I have one trick so that you will be able to highlight and add shadows very easily. In skin shadow layer, click on right click and create clipping marks so that when you try to add the layer, the shadows and highlight, it will not spread on the white background. See, it's nice, right? So this is what I wanted to show you. So now you can add shadows and highlights very easily. Let's get started. Done adding the shadows of the croquis, but now I'm going to add deep shadows. So we have to create a new layer and rename it as deep shadows. And the blend mode should be multiply and opacity should be 20 to 30%. But to explain you, I'm going to keep it as 100%. We have to go to brush tool and this is the hex code of the deep shadows. Let's start with the highlights. Click on new layer, rename it as soft highlight. Blend mode should be screen and opacity should be 60 to 70%. Right click, clipping marks. Go to brush tool, so it's time to add bright highlights. Create a new layer and rename it as Right highlights, pin marks, screen, brush tool, create a new layer, name it as blush. This is optional, but you can do it. And it is soft light, 20%. Go to brush tool. I'm done with adding the shadows and highlights of this fashion illustration croquis. I hope you will like this video, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. So right now I'm going to show you how to save this file so that it will not remove any of the work which you have done over here in this illustration. So first let me explain you the layer panel. So this was the layer panel where the croquis outline was at the top of the layers panel. But now we have to move it down over here. Okay. And make sure you're not creating any groups in this case because we have add a clipping mask. If you create a group, the clipping marks will remove automatically and all the shades you will see must have been spread on the white background. So make sure your layer panels are like this. Okay. Now let me show you how to save this file. Go to File, Export, Export as. Make sure the format is PNGC and the transparency is unticked. Click on Export and rename it as whatever you want. I'm just renaming it as image and click on Export. Done. So now if you want to edit or make something creative in Canva or something and want to make sure if the image is uploaded in Canva as it is, so let me show you. Go to Canva. I've already added the image from the files. Go to upload files. Search the image where you have saved the images. So I renamed it later into final shadows and highlights, which I'm going to open it. And here it is. Then see all your work which you have done in Photoshop, nothing has been changed along with the black background, along with the black outline. So we are done with adding shadows and highlights of this fashion illustration croquis. I hope you liked this video and found this helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment on my channel and follow me on Instagram. I would appreciate your feedback and see you on next Sunday with a new video. Bye.